Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Off-Road's Fairlead license plate mount, available for Hawse style Fairleads. Step 1. Loosen your Fairlead and any accessories from your bumper. They should be able to wiggle back and forth without falling off. Step 2. Slide the license plate mount brackets in between your Fairlead or accessory and bumper so that they rest on top of each bolt. Next, re-secure the bolts. Step 3. Hold your license plate up to the X bracket and loosely secure it with 4 of the included bolts, lock and flat washers, and nuts in the shown arrangement. Secure each bolt with a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen key. Finally, secure your winch cable and flip your plate down. Enjoy your new Fairlead license plate mount.